today I've come to, or this is Helen and my partner, my other half, my soulmate, Dai. We've come to Nam Tok, Mae Sa Pok. Nam Tok is waterfall in Thai. Tok is fall and Nam is water. I mentioned Nataporn's name and Dai's name as if you understand what I'm talking about. I obviously appreciate that many of you have gathered the face behind the name, but the reason there is a nickname, a short name of Dai, is it's a bit convoluted. When I first met Nataporn in the UK with her twigs in her hair and her long earrings, I knew her as Nataporn, and as a typical Westerner I truncated that and called her a familiar name of Nat. You know, you've got a Robert and you call them Bob, you've got a Daniel and you call them Dan, and you've got a William and you call them Bill. Well, I truncated Nataporn to be Nat. So to my family in the UK, I was now with somebody called Nat, and I've had to keep that up because they don't get the changes, the subtleties that I'm now going to talk to you about. Now, Nataporn is her given name. When I met Nataporn, I then met her friends who knew her in the UK as Tuk. Now, Tuk is also how her family here in Thailand know her, and Tuk, T-U-K or T-O-O-K, is her family-friendly short nickname. Not Nat, not Dai. But the people who she went to school with, the people who she'd known all her life, and amazingly, she still knows people from her first school, they all called her Dai because she was like a rabbit. A rabbit is Dai in Thai. So Dai is her nickname here in Thailand for the friends that she has. So she has three names. In my head, Nataporn, Tuk, Dai. Oh, and the fourth one is Nat. Now that got very confusing when I first came here and was talking to her. I remember standing at a checkout in a supermarket or maybe Home Pro or something like that, and I called over to her and I went, and it was like I didn't know who I was talking to, and I ended up in calling her darling.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
มาทุกวันใช่ไหม ฮะ
มาที่นี่ทุกวันใช่ไหม
วัน
อ๋อดีจังเลยอ๋อน่ารัก
แต่งหน้า
อ๋อเป็นใจดีเนาะ Well, this is Huai Lan Reservoir. It's out to the east of San Kamphaeng. It's only about 30 minutes drive outside the city of Chiang Mai, but it's in Chiang Mai province. What a lot of people probably don't understand about my videos is I am in Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is so good they named it twice. It's the province and the city. This guy here, he comes here every day, he said. He's giving them kibble, little biscuits. I talked to the herdsman, the shepherd, who was looking after these cattle about the rocket festival this year, and he wasn't too sure. He said he thinks it's cancelled because of the COVID situation, but who knows. The 4th of July is next month, and the 30th of June is when things actually stop, hopefully. Every year, round about the 4th of July, nothing to do with Independence Day, but more to do with the moon, the Buddhist calendar, and the sowing of the crops. This year, due to COVID, I've asked 3 people already, and I've had 2 answers of I don't know, and one is that it's been cancelled. So I'm going to come back here in a couple of weeks and find out as to whether it's definitely cancelled or not. 2 days of absolute madness, absolute fun and games. It's really a joy to see in this little space at the end of an orchard, near to a couple of little reservoirs, up in the forest near the mountains, out to the east of San Kamphaeng every year. But not this year. I'm going to be very unhappy about the 4th of July this year. And sat in the little shelter here are, the local gamnang, the monks from a temple wagering, and also many people that have got an interest in the event. You've got stall holders selling food and some drink, and you've got people enjoying a party, a weekend out. But most of all, you've got the teams, and the team spirit's fantastic. You have got monk teams as well, and these, the border of this field here, in the shade of the trees, you've got people lining up their secret recipes of their explosive rockets. Now, the wonderful thing is, the judging is based upon how high? No. How many minutes? No. The colour of the smoke? Nope. The noise? Nope. We're in Thailand. It's all about how it looks. Oh, sawai. When it looks nice, it gets points. And when that rocket goes up there and the tail goes wiggly wiggly and the smoke looks very nice and it sounds nice and the whole thing comes together, if it looks nice, they're the winner. Fabulous. Well, first of all, thank you so much for watching this video. I want to actually say thank you also to the fuddy-duddies, the people who signed up for something that they didn't really sign up for. During the early hours of the release of the last video, I was amazed at the drop in my subscribers being so quick. I don't have that many subscribers, but those I have that have commented I really value. Those that have gone, that have left, I'm sorry to see you go. It's sad. Perhaps you were shocked that you weren't getting what you signed up for. See you on YouTube sometime. Anyway, never mind. These videos are intended to be informative about what there is outside of the city. There is so much beauty out here. When you come to Thailand, you can spend your time in the city and you can spend a lot of time seeing things that are put in front of you as a perceived, this is what a tourist would like. The natural beauty you find around Chiang Mai, Thailand, you've just got to lift the edge of the carpet and look. It's here. There's so much beauty in Thailand. Whether it's the people, whether it's the countryside, whether it is in behaviours of things that you see in culture. It's wonderful. It's such a different life to one you could spend forever fighting the rat race in your home country. I think we're going to get some rain today. I'm going to leave you with a nice clip from this morning. I fed the birds, and interestingly enough, since the birds have hatched in the box out the back and other birds in nests around the neighbourhood have flown, the visitors to the bird table have reduced. Now, it could well be that the parents are actually not interested in fruit now, they're interested in protein. And I can't put protein on the bird table. So maybe they're taking a break from the fruit that I'm giving them on a daily basis. I still put it out there, but it just goes rotten. But anyway, this morning, I turned the camera on around about 6. It lasted about an hour and a half. I don't think there was one bird that came along. And the clouds were absolutely wonderful. And as you can see, they're building up behind me here. It's been this way across the valley all morning. So I think we're definitely going to get a lot more rain today. Yeah! Anyway, till next time. Be well, be safe, be happy. See you. Bye-bye.